Okay, well, this is speaking part 2, and your topic is describe any task that you ever performed with the help of the people or the group. What was that? How did you perform it? And how long did it take to perform that task?
So, working with people is a very great activity. We should work with people for different people for the sake of humanity. So, today I will talk about the thing that I did with group of people. So, once a time when coronavirus came from Wuhan city of China, there were poverty in the world. The world was stopped at that time for some duration, and then there were in my city. If I talk about my city, the people were dying for a food and for different things. So then I and my friends started to make a community for them, for serving them food, clothes, and different important things for daily basis using for that used in daily basis. So then we after 1 to 2 weeks we were 30 people, and then we started to serve food and clothes through the food through delivery service to the people homes. And I think it took 1 to 2 months, and we served and helped the people for 1 to 2 months, and we also took pictures with them, and that was a very great experience for me. My parents had a lot of proud on me.
Okay,
And
you could have done this work alone. Then why did you, call the group of the people?
no, I couldn't do that work alone because
I couldn't have done it alone.
I couldn't have done it alone because it was a very large burden. So with people, it can we can divide it into different people. So I think alone it couldn't be possible.
Okay, how can we perform the task when we collaborate with any group? So you can say that in this way we can perform any work more effectively.
Of course, we can do anything more effectively with group of people because many people have many minds and many ideas. So we can gain any ideas from the people, and we can divide work, and we can do better collectively as compared to the individual.
Okay, what were you feeling at that time when you were performing that noble task? Because at Corona time, there was a lot of panic in the world,
Mhm.
and most of the people, and especially the social workers, they were afraid of this thing that they might be affected with the coronavirus. So, weren't you afraid of that moment?
No, I was not afraid at that time because I was not thinking about myself. I was thinking about the people who were poor, and we couldn't afford anything for food because markets were closed, and the economy of my country was going down day by day. So then I decided to do thing for humanity, for the
Very
sake of
nice.
humanity,
Very
for people.
nice. Very nice. Could you please make it different between smart work and hard work?
So hard work is the work that we do with a lot of effort, with a lot of power for achieve something. But smart work is the work that we do through our mind. So I think we can make hard work into a smart work through our mind. We can do it smartly.
You mean to say that through smart work we can achieve more greater tasks.
Of course,
We
we
can
can.
accomplish more early as compared to the hard work.
Of course,
So
power is
hard work
important.
can be converted into the smart work.
Of course, hard work can be converted. So we can do instead of using power and effort. So we should use mind in anything. So through
Hmm.
mind, we can make hard task into easy task.
Okay, Smear, very well elaborated, and in this way you have to show your confidence. All the best.
Thank you so much.